So, I'm practicing stealth camping today, and we're going to sleep here tonight because there's supposed to be rain in the early AM. So the first thing we're going to do to prepare this ground is we're going to get it as level as possible, and then we're going to line it with some leaves, and then I'm going to spread out a top. So on trying out these leaves, they've got a thick mid-vein. So it's, I think, a lot more comfortable maybe to get rid of the mid-vein and just lie on these leaves. So here is what our top looks like. One goes inside. Looks like a bit of a kite or a plow arrangement. There we go. So here's where one's head is, and one can breathe, and the rest is supposedly waterproof. We'll see how waterproof this tarp is, but you can see it looks pretty camouflaged. Hi, so this is what it looks like inside our tarp. Here we've got the pole. Here is our tarp. Here's the ground with the leaves forming a kind of a ground sheet. And then it goes back far, far, far. And seems pretty comfortable so far. It seems pretty waterproof. So it looks pretty reasonable so far. I think we could probably stay fairly dry here tonight. Hey, this is practice stealth camping. We're going to have to see how it works. So as part of stealth camping practice, I want to see if I can sleep in a hammock tonight. For the first half of the night, I want to see if one can actually fall asleep in one of these darn things. And then for the second half of it, I want to see if one can sleep under a tarpaulin in the rain. Now this hammock may be great for an 8-year-old who weighs 30 kilograms, but I weigh a little more than that, and I'm a little bigger than 8-year-old, so I'm not so sure how good this thing is going to be for sleeping. Whoa. Whoa. Man, it makes you feel seasick almost. The swinging motion is, people don't mention the almost seasick feeling that one gets. It's not too bad so far, but can one fall asleep like this? I don't know. They always advertise hammocks in stealth camping. I really don't know how this is going to work, but we're going to give it a go, see if we can fall asleep like this tonight. Pretty relaxing, actually. Yeah, we'll see. Well, good morning. I did manage to doze off in the hammock, and it rained pretty much all of the time, or just it drizzled all of the time from midnight till morning, and this place remained pretty dry. So, not tight. I mean, it feels a little damp, but it remained pretty dry. So the tarpaulin does work. See the contrast between the dry ground and the wet. My current conclusion regarding stealth camping is that I think I would rather take a tent if it's going to rain and go further into the woods, find a place where I can conceal the tent, than sleep under a tarpaulin, which is pretty, I don't know, unpleasant, uncomfortable, and it's basically just a sleeping place. So I think I would rather take a little tent, walk a few hundred more meters into the forest, find a few bushes I can hide in, hide a tent in, disguise it, camouflage it, and sleep a good comfortable night's sleep in a tent than under a flat tarpaulin. If you have to run away from your tent, you leave your tent. So what? You don't have to pack the stuff up, you just escape and go.